Well, so we have a train here and a very busy road. You never see a train right now, and on this time of day. Once again on the NS Toledo district, as you can see, we got an eastbound on the siding down there.
You're gonna have to stay off of the road.
Danny, how far is he about? We're here at.
You're gonna have to stay.
We are here at State Route 19, folks. See you, Danny.
State Route 19 on our Saturday extravaganza. And the first time ever, we're going to be seeing an eastbounder on this track.
Oh!
But right now, you got a westbound coming through.
And here goes the quiet Daners.
Man, those are quiet, aren't they?
It might be a UP, I'm not sure. It's even moving out of the. Oh!
I'm not sure. We'll find out.
No, CSX. First time I've ever seen a CSX on this line. Sandy, it's the first time I have ever.
Yeah, first time ever.
Could that be why the eastbound cylinder 4 is waiting on this one to go by?
This is all this steel. I wonder if it's the CPU.
It's what the engine said. Oh, they're all red already. These ones change quick, like when you're hardly ever at it. Like, you are hardly at it, and then they change.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised he doesn't have a couple more engines on.
Is he moving out or not really?
He's going pretty good.
Danny, what time do you think he cleared Clyde, Ohio?
Oh, I would say he cleared Clyde, Ohio at 7 a.m.
No, it's already afternoon.
Oh, okay, so maybe 10:30?
No, maybe 11.
Oh, okay. Maybe 11?
Is he moving on or not really?
Not really.
Surprised at a westbound early.
Oh my.
What?
Oh my, how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is.
You're lucky that next one doesn't have any truck frames. You're lucky about that. You're lucky the other one doesn't have any. You're lucky the other one does not have any truck frames.
Okay.
Do y'all belong or no? Is there anybody behind me?
About 20 down the boat.
No, wait, about one behind me. And you told me it was a busy road. It's not.
It is.
How come it's not right now?
Well, that's amazing that it's not right now, but
Should that signal at Stain Road be yellow right there? No. Ooh, garbage haulers too.
look at all that steel, man.
Are we of Fremont.
Yeah, just outside of Fremont, I guess.
We might still have a westbound later on today. But, by the way, this will be it for this video. I will be starting a new video when that eastbound gets on the move. Today is our Saturday extravaganza, folks. Okay, so that's it. Eastbound is next.